Hello guys and welcome back to Unbox Muse. My name is Patrick Ago and this is the best tweenie in the world, Unbox Muse guy.
Oh, hello guys!
Can you explain like this bunch of fruit?
This will be done
Oh,
before the end of the
okay.
video.
You know what? Good luck, but eat quietly and don't drink too much.
Nice!
Anyway, guys, let's unbox. The subject today is LaMetric Time. I know this has been released like a long time ago. It has won a Red Dot award in 2016, but I bought it for us, like we can follow the subscriber on YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. You can have the feed on the screen and the display is like fun because it's not like the high quality display, and you can control appliance from home. You can control a lot of things that we will talk about it. All right, now my twinny will eat this and we will unbox it, and let's roll the new intro. Let's go. So this is the first time I see a box that has a full information of the product. So in the front you have first the name of the brand, the LaMetric Time connected clock for home and business, and as I said, won a Red Dot award in 2016. And you have the clock faces, real-time news, social digital metrics, smart home display and personalized apps. All right, and then here you have some more information, design. You can turn on off light, works with Amazon Echo, Net Atmo, and Hue from Philips, the lighting. And then in the back, oh my god, this is completely full of information. So I'll not go for it like in details, but overall it resumes what can be done with the LaMetric Time. So first is like, right, so this is the beast, right? So we'll come back for it. Then you have some manuals, right? And then here, all right, so you have like an international adapter for charging your LaMetric Time, and then the cable, of course, the normal USB cable right here. So you have three buttons on the top. You have first the forward, backward to select like different options you have, and then when you select to have more options when you selected the application you are using, and a small LED right here. And then in the back the brand name, perfect, it's all dark matte black. And then the USB, and you have even the option like the headphones jack right here. This is crazy. All right. And on each side, right here, the first side and the second side, you have the speakers. It's not like advised to use it as a Bluetooth speaker, but it's nice to have like sound effect when you have one more subscriber. And then the button here, it's on and off. Like, didn't we agree like to be like quiet? God damn. I'm taking some. Anyway, just eat. Finish the plate. We never leave anything in the plate. Anyway, guys. Alright, guys. So after connecting it to your phone, and there is a dedicated application, so you have all set it up. You downloaded all the applications that you need to use. Then first on the display is the date and the time, obviously, normal. Then you have the weather, and you have a little animation of sunny, cloudy, night, the wind, small animation too, 3.4 miles per hour, humidity, and etc. Then you have the radio, streaming, timer, another timer, and you have the YouTube followers, subscribers, sorry, 590, which we have to reach 1,000. Let's go, guys, right? Anyway, eating like a monster. Then the Twitch, he's not playing, obviously, and the Twitter didn't connect, but anyway, and the Unbox Muse followers on Instagram, if you didn't, just let's go right now. 2,900. We need to reach 5,000. Anyway, then you can use the phone. Let me show you on the phone. Right here you have the phone application. You have downloaded application for the LaMetric Time. Then you have the YouTube, the radio, the weather, and then you double press it. You have the options. Then you slide. You have the streaming audio from Spotify, and then the notification from the phone, messages, WhatsApp. I think anything can be seen on the display. Let me show you the phone calls. All right, so this is the phone call display, the name, Unbox Muse Office. So the animation is nice, display, the brightness is crazy, it's so joyful. So, and then it showed you it's a missed call. This is so nice. And then if you slide one more time, you have Amazon Echo, so Alexa can work. And of course, Google Assistant, so you can control, let me show you, you can control the Philips Hue, the lighting, so you can turn off and on lighting that you are controlling from the phone, from this device. All right, and there is a lot of different options that you can use. You can customize the display. You can put like Unbox Muse, welcome you, and subscribe to us. Anyway, guys, so did you finish?
It's impossible.
I can see now.
I feel
Yeah. No, don't throw up on me. No. Okay. You don't need to finish it, right? Anyway, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and sorry for the disgustful winning, right? If you like this, let me show you, like right here. If you like the display and the overall use of this LaMetric Time, just press like, and then comment down below if you need any more details, or if you didn't like, or if you have any idea, any unbox technology you want me to unbox it, just comment down below. I will put the link down in the description for more details of the LaMetric, and it costs around $199. It's expensive, but it will last for long, and it has a lot of useful options, right? Thank you again for watching, and we will see you next week, right? Peace!